I mean, no chips.
Now my thing's halfway in.
Let's press play on the movie.
Did you know it's recording?
Yeah, I know.
We're watching Pennywise. I hate this part. He hits his head after he sees Pennywise. The dancing clown.
He ducks the first one and then he looks up and he hits it.
Ooh,
Oh yeah, this is
Dairy
scary
Public
part.
work.
Okay, this is a really scary part where he gets eaten.
Actually, I'm gonna video this. No, this is gonna go for 10 minutes. Or maybe 2 hours. I'm scared. I'm scared.
How does he know his name though?
Can you video it? If you're not scared? Your fingers over your legs.
His eyes like glow.
I know.
Is that the custom that you order, Talia?
Yep. Are you still videoing it?
Hold it.
Yeah. Nah, I'm not looking. I'm on the floor. Is he grabbing it?
Not yet.
No. Ah!
The old lady's looking.
That was the one to Daniel to dress up as Georgie, so I can kill him. For Halloween.
Ew, he dripping.
Don't look, Ma, you're gonna freak out. I think you need to go back to the toilet. Ow, my head. You're making me look at the screen. I'm closing my eyes. Has he eaten his arm yet?
No.